With so many of us hunkered down and spending way more time at home than we typically would, it's really important to do the best that we can and fuel our bodies with healthy food. And one tip is to pull back on the amount of salt that we're using. People specifically with high blood pressure, people that have heart issues, and people who just want to minimize bloating would really do their body justice by using less salt. But we want a lot of flavor, so how do we do that? Well, first think out of the box. You can add more garlic, you can add citrus, lemon, or lime slices, and experiment with a lot of spices and seasonings that don't contain any salt. I am obsessed with the Mrs. Dash. Well, now it's called Dash. Used to be Mrs. Dash. They rebranded as Dash. Their seasoning blends, they have a slew of varieties and not a drop of salt. So here I have a soothing bowl of soup. And what I love right now about building soups, first, it's so easy and you can't make a wrong turn, but also because you can pack them with immune boosting veggies. So in here I have onions, carrots with beta carotene, bell peppers with vitamin C, mushrooms with antiviral properties, reduced sodium broth, and again, the Dash salt-free seasoning. These are French fries. Who doesn't love French fries? But instead of using caloric spuds, I have immune boosting carrots. These are maple glazed carrot fries. And guys, I'm telling you, definitely make a double batch because I think you're gonna wanna eat a lot of these guys. And here I have mac and cheese. Well, mac and cheese can actually be a good for you comfort food when you swap in the vegetable spirals. So Green Giant has butternut squash, they have beet spirals, they have zucchini spirals, and they twirl up just like pasta, and you can put whatever sauce you want on top of it, and you feel like you're indulging in a decadent, sort of naughty meal, but honestly guys, it's so good for you and it tastes delicious. We've got chicken. I have roasted vegetables. And if you're looking for a tailgate or holiday-like fare, definitely check out my pigs in a blanket. I use a whole grain soft and doughy crust, and then you can see from all the speckles, I roll it in the everything but the salt seasoning. It's so delicious. And the inside is a breakfast lean poultry sausage. For all of these recipes, check out the website mrsdash.com/joy.